we're excited. Today we just signed a formal agreement with Fik Fameica and his team to be working on, as an agency, working on bookings, endorsements, and business deals. As Talent Africa, we're a 360 entertainment agency, and we're really looking forward to working with Fik on some projects inside and outside of Uganda.
Sounds amazing. Amazing. We are big like that. Yeah, man. But it's not only about my management. I have an agency that you can go through to book me in and out. Endorsement deals muzilete buli kimu mukikole. Yeah, man. Talent Africa, I'm happy for this partnership. And I'm looking forward to uh, uh, mbadde nemugezaako okugatta omulimu gwange n'okugwanguya nga nfuna agency nsayininze partnership deal ne Talent Africa for endorsement deals, events, and bookings. Yeah.
Kino kigenda bakikola kitya kubanga Yesu oli muyimbi omukulu oli batwagala oyongera otulambulire yenga yikyagenda okubanga akola akigagenda okubakola.
Okay, tulina endorsements that we are working on and they are coming through Talent Africa. So tusayininze partnership tubawo olukusa okubanga anyone can go through them for bookings inside in and out, like mu Uganda ne wabweru ne endorsement deals ne business endala. Yeah.
Kino kiriko mubadde mulina nti omusende sente oba deal because bagenda babakuyamba kuyambi
as in
nti omusayinize bakuwaddeyo akasente oba just okikoze bagenda bayambibwako buyambi.
Sitera kwagala kudiscussinga sente naye sente already zetwogerako kubanga twogera ku endorsement deals ezigenda okujja nga ziyita mu agency eno, so that we are talking money. It's not sayininze Talent Africa is paying me for anything, but I'm doing business with them. Yeah, events, endorsement deals, and bookings. Mugwanga, and outside. Yeah. Inze ne team yange ne manager wange tusayininze partnership deal ne Talent Africa for events, endorsements, n'ebirala.
Okay, contract ene egenda lastinga kumala bbanga ki okutuuka wonaddamu ate
okumala wona tunawulira nga bigana
amakulu lifetime.
No, tunawulira nga it's a partnership enkolagana. It's not like this is an agency ekola n'abantu bangi. Yeah, so I'm one of them. Yeah.
No, actually, we've been working with Fik for years, especially on bookings for the last like 5 or 6 years. And we had a good meeting last year. I think it was almost a year ago.
Yeah, tuli mu gazi ya team obufunze. Yeah.
I don't grab what going on in principle. Program in principle, you need this as name. Wait, check out what you
Nunji.